Welcome back.
Yeah!
Yes, you are back.
Yeah, I'm back!
Over the summer, you completed your military service, and you came back, and your bandmates were waiting for you. And is RM playing the saxophone here? What is he playing? Is he playing Careless Whisper? No, what is he playing?
Not this music.
No.
사실 이때가 제가 그 처음 나와서 정신이 너무 없어서 뭘 하고 있는지는 모르겠지만 여튼 뭔가를 해줬어요.
Yeah. Well, you don't know what he was doing?
사실 있는지도 몰랐어요. Sorry,
Yeah,
member.
he was there. Sorry.